In the middle of Rome stands a dome that has held itself up for 19 centuries. The Pantheon is still the largest unreinforced concrete dome on Earth. No steel runs through it. Nothing holds it together but the material itself. Meanwhile, concrete highway bridges poured in the 1960s are being torn down today. Something has clearly gone backwards. And the popular explanation is wrong. The myth is that the recipe was lost. It was never lost. The Roman architect Vitruvius wrote it down in the 1st century before Christ, and we have been reading his instructions for 500 years. Here is the first real difference. Romans mixed volcanic ash from the Bay of Naples into their lime. That ash, called pozzolana, reacts chemically with lime and water to form binding compounds that keep forming for decades. The second difference was found in 2023. Researchers at MIT looked at white chunks in Roman samples that everyone had dismissed as sloppy mixing. They were not sloppiness. They were the point. Those white chunks are lime clasts, and they act as a repair kit built into the stone. When a crack opens and water gets in, the clasts dissolve and recrystallize, sealing the crack shut. The material heals itself. Roman harbor concrete goes further. Seawater does not attack it. Seawater improves it, growing rare interlocking crystals through the material over centuries. So why do we not just copy it? Because we optimized for something else. Modern concrete is far stronger in compression and it sets in days rather than years, and that is what a construction schedule demands. And the real weak point in a modern structure usually is not the concrete at all. It is the steel reinforcement inside it. Water reaches the rebar, the steel rusts, rust expands, and the concrete is split apart from within. The Romans never had that problem because they never had that steel. We did not lose their recipe. We traded their durability for speed and strength, and we are only now counting what that trade actually cost.